Each morning, I challenge myself to grow stronger in my faith. It hasn't always been easy. Life has a way of testing you, through uncertainty, fear, and setbacks. But I've found that starting my day with intentional encouragement makes all the difference. There have been seasons where doubt crept in. I've questioned if I was on the right path, wondered if my faith was strong enough, and wrestled with fear about the future. I know what it feels like to walk through a storm with no end in sight. But in those moments, I've learned to dig deep and hold on to what I believe. I've seen firsthand that fear doesn't have to win. When I choose to trust instead of worry, peace follows. When I speak life over my situation instead of focusing on what's wrong, things start to shift. One powerful truth I've embraced is that faith isn't about having no fear. It's about moving forward despite it. I've faced tough times, health scares, financial stress, relationship struggles, but by choosing to focus on the solution instead of the problem, I've found strength I didn't know I had. I remember a woman I once met who had almost nothing, yet her words were full of hope. She chose to speak blessings over her life, even when things looked hopeless. That really stuck with me. It reminded me that our words shape our world, and that faith speaks even when fear shouts. For me, faith is a journey. Every day is a chance to trust again, believe again, and choose hope over fear. I don't always have it all together, but I've seen what happens when I lean on a higher power and surround myself with encouragement. So today, I encourage you, don't let fear stop you. Speak life. Hold on. Trust that even in your hardest places, there's still purpose, strength, and victory waiting for you. If this speaks to you, share your story too. Let's grow in faith together.